Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a group chat on Snapchat, Android and iPhone. So update your apps from respective Play stores. Once you have updated it, open the Snapchat app and log into your account. Now go to the chat screen of the Snapchat app. Okay, once you are here, now you need to create a new chat here. Now you need to click on this blue icon that you see at the bottom right corner. Okay, now you'll reach here. Now you can see the first option, which is new group. You need to click on that one. Now you can add up to 100 people in that group. Okay, now start adding number of peoples whom you want to add in the group and want to chat. Okay, so this is the basic way, because I don't have many friends here, so I won't be able to add and show it to you. However, you can simply start adding friends in this new group. Okay, so this is how you can make a group on Snapchat. Thank you.